Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Shivansh Raj Bhandari. I read in class 1. Today I am going to read a story. The Greedy Mouse. One day, Mouse found a very big bone. I will take this bone into my house, he said. He pushed the bone from the back. It need not move. He pushed it from the front. The bone did not move. He pushed it from the right. The bone did not move. He ran around the bone and pushed it from the left, but it still did not move. I will tie a string around the bone and pull it into my house. Mouse ran to the house and got a string, but it was too short. He went back and got a longer string. He tied the bone with the long string, then pulled and pulled, but it did not move. Mouse sat down and ate a little bit of the bone. It was very good. He ate a little more, then a little more, and a little more, till the bone became smaller and smaller. He pushed the bone. It rolled right into his house. Mouse was very happy. The bone was safely in his house, but he had eaten so much bone that his stomach had become so big. Mouse pushed and pushed himself, but he could not get into his house. Mouse sat outside his door, holding his stomach, and groaned. I should not have eaten so much bone. I should have shared it with someone. Thank you.